What up, y'all, man? Back with another video, man, y'all. Only the guys. Yeah. But, same day, different video, man. I'm finna, install this Wickerbill to my, 2019 Charger. So, yeah, go see how this turn out. So, alright, guys. Y'all already done taped up the spoiler for this. And you should, well, for this, you're gonna need a drill bit, 1/8 drill bit. I'm on 1/8 it right there. So, right here, drill bit. You know, you need a real nut tool, but what is it? Oh, right here. So you can use this right here. You know, then you gotta use this socket right here. Put on here, and that's how you get it to stay in the spoiler, you know. That's such, but you go to Wickerbill right here. Yeah, we got that right there. That's the center glass piece, and then just place you on the Wickerbill. And yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and get into this, man. I'm gonna cut the camera back on in a few, man. Alright, guys. So, what you wanna do now is make sure you line the Wickerbill up. You line the Wickerbill up with the middle of the camera here. So we went ahead and did that, and we marked our holes along this masking tape, if you can see. So now we're gonna get like a little measuring tape and whatnot and see if we dead center. And if we is, we're gonna start drilling. So once we get everything right, put the camera back on. So BJ over there watching his call, but yeah, man, we figured it out, man. So I use a 3/8 drill bit to drill out my holes, and then the rivet right here I already pushed in there. So you know the 3/8 hole is gonna be a snipe fit. So what you gotta do is put the rivet, you know, kind of in there. Then, like, I use a hammer just to hit it, you know, hit it in there. Yeah, man, I'll get the rest of these hoes back. I guess I'll be back. Well, guys, we still did it. Yeah, man, this Wickerbill is a difficult process. As you can see, we messed up. So, yeah, we messed up, but we fixed it. So now we gotta, you know, test out, you know, see. Hope everything go right. I'm trying to come back on in a minute. So I got the problem fixed. It was me messing up, whatever. So I got the rest of my holes already, you know, drilled. So I just gotta drill them out, you feel me? So I got them drilled around the, see this, man, this thing right here, I messed up. It's alright, y'all can't even see it anyway with the Wickerbill on. Cause the Wickerbill on for good, man. This ain't coming off, so y'all. So y'all, I'ma turn on the camera again once I get the rest of these holes drilled out, and I'll put the rivets in them. So y'all stay tuned, man. Alright, guys, as you can see, I drilled all holes and put the rivets in. This is the one I messed up on. Alright, so I got all holes in. Hold on, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. I got all 8 holes in, so now I'm finna yeah, basically put the Wickerbill apart, like put it together or whatever. Put it together, and it's gonna be kind of hard for me to put it together and record at the same time. So once I get these first 2 screws in, I'm gonna turn the camera back on again. I'm gonna show y'all the process. That'll be it. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I'm getting it done. I got 2 screws in, one on each side. See right there. They ain't screwed all the way down. They just, in the hole the Wickerbill up. It's right there. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this process. So all you really doing is just putting it in right here. It's gonna be hard, y'all. It's gonna be hard trying to record and do this at the same time. Man, look. I'm gonna hit y'all back in the bed as soon as I get this one in. But basically, all you doing is putting them in there. Then you gotta have a hex key. So get your hex key, stick it in there, tighten it down. Boom, that's all you doing. Follow along. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera in a minute, man. Alright, so I put the other screws in. I had to use my other hand to lift up the Wickerbill so I can get them. Right. So I got them in. So all you doing, get this hex key, stick it in there. Don't drop it like that, but just tighten it down. Like I said, man, it's just hard if it's just one person. It ain't hard, just frustrating if it's just one person. So you're gonna need some help. That's all you doing, man. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera once I get back to once I get ready to put that second piece on right there. It goes in the middle. Once I put that on, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so what I'm doing now is I basically got the whole thing together, and I got all the screws screwed in here. All the screws screwed in here, so basically just gonna tighten them down, tighten all the screws down, and tighten them down like a motherfucker. That'll be it for this video, man. Like I said, man, it's a long process, bro. It's gonna take about a good hour, hour 30. I mean, if you got help, you probably can get done sooner, but yeah. Good hour 30 if you mess up, So it all depends on if you do your measurements and calculate, It all depends on basically, man, if you can calculate your measurements right the first time. If you do that, then straight. Other than that, you gonna be here for a minute. But yeah, I'm gonna tighten these down, then once I get through tightening these down, I'm gonna pick up the camera and show you guys what the final product look like, But yeah, y'all, I'm done with it, man. So, I gotta wipe it down, whatnot. There's a few scratches on here because I ain't leave the protective thing on. But yeah, this the finished product of how it look. Just gotta wipe everything down. But yeah, man, like I said, bro, this process it's gonna take a while, man, unless you just know what you're doing. But if you this is my first time doing something like this, so if it's your first time, man. And depending on if you mess up or not, it's gonna take about a good hour, hour and a half. What time I started this morning? I think it's like 8 something now. I started this around 6 something, late 6, 7 o'clock. But yeah, this the hole where I messed up it. so you can't even see the other hole. But see, man, I wish these were black, man. But yeah, overall, man, I like it, bro. It look good. Yeah, I'ma drive it and shoot, I'ma see how it hold up. I'ma see how it hold up. You guys, they also link is gonna be in the description from where I got it from. I got it from eBay, but you know I'm gonna put the link in the description. Pure Sport Design, man. They got me right. Oh yeah, let me show y'all with the lights on. With the lights on. Look at that thing. You can't tell me I don't look aggressive. Aggressive and mean. With the wide tires, rear diffuser, Wickerbill, tail light design. Man, that junk look crazy. Stop playing. But yeah, man, this that's my Wickerbill, man. Man, I hope you guys like this mod I just did, man. It took me about an hour 30 just to put it on. I messed up one good time with the hole. The hole was too far over, so I had to drill another hole right beside it, and you know, I had to kind of make these two screws right here crooked or whatnot. They don't look too bad. I like it. Like I said, link gonna be in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. You know, just you know, support my channel, man. Support my channel, man. This is something I really like doing. I really like cars. Been liking cars for a minute, so I finally got my own car this year. Bought my own charge this year, so you know, I can do what I want to do to it. So make sure y'all just show love, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna holler at y'all in this video.